Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Thank you for following my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the dashboard, a cracked dashboard of a car. This one is gonna be a Lexus RX 330. This works with any cars. Usually the dashboards, when they get extreme heat, they will crack if people don't put a cover. So what I'm gonna attempt to do, this is gonna be leather. So I got this kit that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below. Make sure you get yours. You can also fix leather seats because it has many different colors. You can mix them up and try to make your own color. This time we're gonna use it on the black. So I got my black tube. We're gonna put it directly on the crack, as I've done it here already. It doesn't look too bad. This one is a bigger one. We're gonna try on this one actually and make sure, see if it covers the whole thing. Let's see it there. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to point it away. Once we get that filled up, I'm gonna use one of the racks that it comes with to make it even. So once it's dry, it's gonna be like leather. Let me see, kind of hard to hold everything and do this at the same time. Let's see there. Where is my camera? There. Okay. Wow, so it really doesn't look too bad if you spread it nice in there. Right, that's not too bad. We'll see how it looks like once it dries. Here you guys might want to clean. Another one's gonna be this one up here. Alright, that doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, I fixed my own dashboard. It's probably not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna look a lot better. This I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna clean it later. Let's see. There's another crack here. Maybe we're gonna fill that one. We're gonna fix this one now. side. Alright guys, make sure you like my content and subscribe to my channel if you want more DIY videos. Thank you.